Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off today with this sign that I got at Family Dollar. It was, I think, $3 or $5. I can't remember exactly the price. And I'm going to give that a coat of red paint around all of the edges, just to the frame. And it's okay if it gets in the inside edge a little bit. So once I had that all painted, I am going to set that aside, and I'm going to take this frame. It's just the front of a frame, and I found it at a thrift store, and it has like little hearts all cut out in it, and I thought this was like perfect for a Valentine's Day project. So I'm going to paint that to match the frame so that they are cohesive in colors, because it was already red, but it wasn't the same red that I was looking for. So I'm just going to give that a quick coat of paint, and as you can see, now it matches the frame. Next, I cut a piece of 12 fabric to fit in the center of the frame. And I actually looked up the history a little bit and the pronunciation of the 12 fabric, because I have been saying it wrong for years, and I'm sure that many of us have been. So I figured I would grab this and tell you what it is and how to say it. And I made sure that I cut it to fit the size of the inside of the frame. And then I am going to take a good amount of Mod Podge and put it on there. And then I'm going to add the fabric to the center. I just get a good coat, because this is fabric, so I got like kind of a thick coat of the Mod Podge. And I'm going to lay that in and then just smooth it out with my hands, making sure that it's all stuck on all the corners and edges. And I absolutely love this fabric, and the color red that I picked matched perfectly. Next, I'm going to go in with a piece of sandpaper, and I'm just going to sand off all of the edges on both of these frames, just to give it a little bit of a distressed look, not too much. And I did this frame and the one that I put the fabric in. Once I have that all done, I'm going to take that smaller frame that I got at the thrift store, and I'm going to hot glue that right to the center of this frame. So right over this fabric. So I'm just going to run a quick bead of glue all around, and then I'm going to lay that right on the inside. And I'm going to try and center it by just eyeballing it. I think I did a pretty good job. And that is so cute. So next I'm going to take this heart hanger. I can't remember if this came from a Dollar Tree or not. And I'm just going to use the heart because I liked the color of the heart. It matched the fabric. So I'm just going to use that and lay it right in the center of the two frames. And then I had this, it's a keyhole. I'm not sure where I got it. I think I got it at a thrift store a long time ago in a package of a bunch of stuff. And I'm going to glue that right to the center of that heart. And I'm going to cover up that hole that's in the heart. And that is it. This is the end of the project. This is exactly how I'm leaving it. I don't want to add too much more stuff to it. And I absolutely love the way this turned out. So simple, so cute, and easy to make. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.